The Motorola Razr 40 series has officially launched in India. Let's get you the specifications and details.
Motorola has unveiled the Razr 40 Ultra and Razr 40 foldable smartphones in India. As per the company, a redesigned teardrop hinge makes both new models the world's slimmest gapless foldable smartphones when folded. The Razr 40 Ultra is equipped with the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC and 12 GB of RAM, along with 256 GB storage and 3800 mAh battery. It supports 30-watt wired fast charging and 5-watt wireless charging. The 3.6-inch external POLED screen has a 144Hz adaptive refresh rate and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. On being flipped open, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra has a 6.9-inch POLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate. This phone has a 12-megapixel primary camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Talking about the Motorola Razr 40, it also has a similar foldable display configuration. It is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC and has a 4200 mAh battery. It supports 30-watt fast charging. This model is equipped with a 64-megapixel primary camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera plus a 32-megapixel front camera. Both devices run on Android 13. The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra will be available at a launch price of Rs 89,999, while the Motorola Razr 40 is priced at Rs 59,999. Both smartphones will go on sale from 15 July 2023 on Amazon and Reliance Digital and at leading stores.
That's all for today's video. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.